My name is Angie. I am with VoiceSign, and this is my VSAC. We are making them for people who can hear yet not talk. A cool thing about VSACs is you do not have to know sign language to use them. You can also simply move your hand to different locations around your body to produce phrases like I am now. It does not take much to communicate with VSACs. Everything is completely customizable from the hardware to the software. As a result, even people with limited range of motion could use these to say things such as, I am hungry. I like. I do not like. Please turn my music on. Yes. No. Change what this thing says. You can also set VSACs up to speak in any language. Here are the same phrases in Spanish.
Tengo hambre. Me gusta. No me gusta. ¿Puedes poner mi música, por favor? Sí. No. ¿Puedes cambiar lo que dice este aparato?
Well, thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you see what VSACs can do. Please tell us what you think of them and have a fantastic day. Bye.